have youth. My brother actually is 5, but still, he knows how to cook. Like, it's really impressive for me because he's still young and still he can use the fire and he only get burnt once. So my brother's gonna cook an Indian recipe called Chapati. It's actually very common to most Indians. So now I'm gonna explain the ingredients about the Indian recipe Chapati. Actually, Chapati is kind of like a pizza. Like the same ingredients, but it looks kind of different. So this is atta powder to make the dough. And this will be a little salt. If you use a pinch of salt, it's going to be nice. And some oil here. And you also need an empty bowl. Add some water so you can make the dough soft. And you also need to roll it in, like when you make a pizza, you need to roll it into a circle. So you make it like that. So now my brother Abhyud is going to share how to make a chapati. So now my brother is going to pour some atta powder into the bowl. And he's going to put a pinch of salt to make it nice and delicious. And he's going to put some water to make it soft and fluffy. Because it's going to make soft and fluffy dough. And like, that dough will take a little time to make because you need to mix it for a bit of a time. So after some time, he made this dough and now we have to roll it up and take small pieces of it and turn them into balls. So you have to squash it into little pizza to make it a big pizza. And now you have to roll it. And roll it and roll it until it works. So until it gets big, you have to roll it. But you should not break it while doing it, or else you have to start again. He's finished rolling it, and it's kind of like a small pizza. And now it's ready to fry on the pan. So come on, let's go. So now my brother's onning the stove. And he's going to put the pan on. And now he's going to put some oil to make it easier to boil. Yeah. And now he's going to put some chapatis on. Put it in the middle. Now putting some oil on the chapatis. So he's flipping the chapatis because they're getting boiled and fresh and yummy to eat. And I will be tasting them. So I think it's going to be very good. So now the chapatis are done, you can see them. So now we're going to make a little treat, popcorn. And it's going to be my brother and me. And during the popping, we're going to have a little special guest. So this is our special guest. She's my little sister. So first I'm going to use this instantly popping popcorn. It'll be easier than to, do all that pressure. First I'm going to try to tear it here. First of all, because you need to tear it. I'm going to slice it open, cutting it. Assistant has put on the stud, and now I'm going to boil the popcorn. I know it looks watery, but it's going to be super delicious. Starting to pop is going pow, 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 pow. Let's be quiet and listen. So looking at it is very cool. still, so it's going to be really good. So now that the popcorn is ready, it's still popping, but it's going to be ready. And actually, if we take off the lid, it's going to pop all over the kitchen. So I hope we're going to continue in the chapati recipe. Hi everyone, back to our channel. We're having snack time in the most fanciest way because we cooked our snack for like first time. So this is our chapatis and this is our popcorn. And we're gonna share it around. You get one chapati, I get one. Who put a popcorn in my face? Anyway, I want popcorn. We also have toppings. We like to make ours like a pizza. Ask me if you want any more. And I'm gonna put it in my popcorn like I love it. So I am so looking at the flavors on this topping and it looks so good. So I'm going to choose all of them. First I'm gonna put some jam. I'm deciding to roll mine up and eat it like a little taco or something. I want to give myself. Okay, so now we're keeping her cheese. Here you go. Okay? And now here you go. And now here I go. I want to keep that by myself. Of you. Okay, so now we're putting the Nutella, which is one of the best. Eat my Nutella. Okay, these guys are getting really angry. I'm supposed to, start it, I guess. I don't know. Of you. I want to keep myself. Okay, I'll just give you, okay? Nutella. It's love. And I'm gonna keep for my Chele because she's a bit of a handful. She loves chocolate. And I'm gonna keep for myself. Well, I love Nutella as much as I love these toppings. So I'm gonna keep the whole spoon, not even one little cocoa left. Okay, at least 100 cocoa left. I can do this. Yum! Okay, nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. So this is so cool. We have put our plates and I just feel like putting popcorn in the chapati. I want to keep Elliot. Now I'm gonna, make my chapati and I'm gonna eat it. So good! So good! Amazingly delicious in the entire world! You should try this at home! So guys, what I meant to say is this is the most delicious thing I have ever tasted, and now I guess we'll have to say bye, but try this at home, okay?